In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive and share your files to someone. So basically there are two steps. Step 1 is upload your file and step 2 is share your files. If you want to upload your files, you can click this plus icon here and then you can choose to upload a folder or just a files. Now I want to upload a file, so I can click upload here. And you can choose the file you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this screenshot, and if you want to upload multiple files, you can hold the file and then you can select another one. Let's say I want to upload one file, so I can click here and click select. Upload success, and then now the step 2 is to share your file. To share your files, you can click three dots in your file, and then you can see there is copy link option. You can click it, but before you share your link, you have to change your manage access. You can click it. As you can see, there will be restricted by default, so you can change it by click it, and then you can choose anyone with the link. So anyone with the link will can see your file. And also you can change the permission as a viewer, commenter, or editor. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.